Hi, good morning, everyone, once again. So let's quickly go back to the few other important data sets that you are required to understand before going for the language cert examination. I'll quickly flip my screen and I'm sure you'll be able to see it. So this document is known as the Language Cert Academic as evidence of English language proficiency, and for this is known as the document for the institution, and it is known as institution guide. With language cert, the delivering authority, Excelos, I think, they have a language cert certification, ITL4, information technology infrastructure library, variant 4. Those guys who are part of the IT industry, they must be aware of this kind of certification. Then comes Prince 2, which is in project management, projects in controlled environment, number variant 2, and then DevOps. Okay, and then you have I'll quickly go to then there is a difference between why language cert academic. What is the difference, which I have explained earlier already in my other videos, that why academic and why the general. It is purely based on the need, or the institution or the organization or the workplace that you are going to join. Normally, if you're going for any kind of higher education, PhD, masters, bachelor's as well, in that case they look for academic. However, if you're going for uh, migration, or if you're finding any right opportunity in a corporate sector, etc., you go for the general one, purely depending upon the need. So this is important. The academic test is divided into this way. जो टोटल ड्यूरेशन है टेस्ट का वो 2 घंटे 34 मिनट है, जिसमें से पहला रिटन एग्जाम जो है लिसनिंग है, जिसके 4 पार्ट्स हैं और 30 क्वेश्चंस हैं. मल्टीपल चॉइस नोट टेकिंग अराउंड 40 मिनट्स. ऑल पार्ट्स आर हर्ड ट्वाइस. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको ज़रा ध्यान में रखें कि कोई भी लिसनिंग का जो भी टेस्ट होगा वो 2 बारी रिपीट होगा. इट विल बी रिपीटेड ट्वाइस सो दैट इफ यू मिस एनीथिंग यू कैन कंप्लीट. ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चंस विल बी इन अ सीक्वेंस. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर चला गया और थर्ड का आंसर मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब सेकंड का उससे पहले है, तो हमेशा सीक्वेंस में रहेगा. Then comes reading, which is again 4 parts, 30 questions. Good mix of multiple choice, gap filling and multiple matching. टोटल कितना है 50 मिनट्स. राइटिंग के 2 टास्क हैं. एक फर्स्ट टास्क इज 40%, सेकेंड टास्क इज 60%. सो प्लीज़ अपने समय को उसी तरीके से, वक्त को उसी तरीके से डिवाइड करें. 40% में कम समय दें, 60% में ज़्यादा दें. 40% आई थिंक 100 to 150 वर्ड्स का है, और सेकंड जो टास्क है वो आई थिंक 250 वर्ड्स का है. एक बार इसको मेरे पुराने वीडियोस में देख लेना. सो 2 टास्क. एंड देन स्पोकन एग्जाम जो स्पीकिंग है दैट इज सेपरेट. उसके लिए आई थिंक उसके लिए आई एम श्योर आपको अलग से ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा कैलेंडर. यू विल सेपरेटली ब्लॉक इट एंड इट विल बी of 14 minutes. 4 parts: questions, role play, read aloud, and presentation. So that's how it is, and how the test is taken. Computer based, it's flexible, and then you have online live proctoring, who will see and come and will tell you to जब आपका ऑनलाइन प्रॉक्टरिंग इन्विजिलेटर आएगा, सो वो आपको बोलेगा कि मुझे पूरे रूम का 360 डिग्री व्यू देखना है, above the table, below the table, if there is any other screen, तो वो आपको बोलेंगे कि उस स्क्रीन को कवर कर दो. तो इस तरीके के एक प्रोसीजर वो फॉलो करते हैं फॉर द हाइजीन. Alright, so again, as I said, 2 types of test at test centers and then online. So if it is at the test center, if you have blocked through a test center, then आपको कुछ ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just follow the process what they are saying, and rest जो भी सारा logistics है, it is their responsibility. However, when you are doing online, The logistics responsibility is also with you, which includes a good internet connection, your machine, the installation of exam shield software. So these things are important. And how exams are marked. Qualification handbook. I think I have explained this. CEFR level again. If you see, language cert academic test result, CEFR level C2 is from 90 to 100. इसका जो काउंटर पार्ट आइल्स का होगा वो 8.5 to 9 का बैंड आता है. जो C1 है इन लैंग्वेज सर्ट एकेडमिक, इट इज फ्रॉम 75 to 89. एंड अगर इसका आइल्स काउंटर पार्ट देखेंगे इक्विवेलेंसी, तो वो आएगा 7.0 से 8.0 का बैंड. फॉर B2 इफ यू सी, it is 60 to 79 in language cert, और इसका जो बैंड होगा इक्विवेलेंसी बैंड इन आइल्स वो होगा 5.5 से 6.5. अगेन लास्ट इज B1. It's not last, but the other one is B1, which is from 40 to 59 in language cert, और उसका जो corresponding band होगा IELTS में वो होगा 4.0 से 5.0. This is important. Sometimes बहुत ज़्यादा confusion होता है कि language cert academic का corresponding result क्या होगा IELTS में. So this table gives you a fair idea. And then that's how your exam result would look like. If you see the day of here on this end, you will have a photograph. Okay. Then your last name, first name, candidate number, test center, result per skill. The third block, which is important, which is listening, writing, reading, and speaking, and overall test score and CEFR level. And the detailed feedback for each: writing, part 1, part 2, speaking, and that's how it's looked like. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have got a fair idea. Majorly this is important. The important part of this section of this video is the CEFR level and its equivalency, which I have explained. And the other thing is, which is the quick summary of what kind of test you can expect. Total duration 4 parts. For listening 4 parts, 30 questions. For reading 4 parts, 30 questions, 50 minutes. Writing 2 tasks, 50 minutes. And then spoken English 4 parts, 15 minutes separate. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.